So the topic we are going to understand in this video is closure property of integers. Now when we are looking at the closure property of integers, so I've always asked my students to imagine that all the integers are closed in this box. So with this word closure, we relate the word closed. Now just imagine that all the integers are closed in this box, which you can see we have given examples of some positive integers, some negative integers and 0 as well. Okay, so now when all the integers are here inside the bag, now we'll observe for the 4 operations independently whether the answers that we are getting here are the answers inside the bag or outside the bag. This will give us an answer to the question whether the addition of integers is closed or not, subtraction of integers is closed or not, and similarly for multiplication and division. So let us start with addition first of all. Now we have 3 plus 25. Now 3 plus 25 is actually what? It is 28. Then 0 plus minus 7. The answer is minus 7. Minus 2 plus minus 11, which is minus 13. And 5 plus minus 5, the answer is 0. So now the examples that we have taken here, we have tried to cover all the possibilities that whenever we are adding two integers, the answers are either a positive integer, it is a negative integer, or it is 0. So whether it is a positive integer, a negative integer, or it is 0, the answers are here inside the bag. So what did we observe for the addition? That when we add any two integers, the sum of the integers is always there inside the bag. The sum of two integers is always an integer. Next we come to subtraction. 17 minus 4 is what? It is 13. 10 minus 15 is minus 5. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So here also we have tried to cover all the possibilities that when we subtract two integers, the result will be either a positive integer, negative integer, or 0. And in any case, when we are taking the difference of any two integers, we find that the difference of two integers also lies here inside the bag. That means the difference of two integers is also always an integer. Okay, so till now we have observed for addition and subtraction. Now let us observe for multiplication. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 5 is plus 15. 6 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 24. And 9 multiplied by 0 is 0. So again, all the possible cases. Now whenever we multiply two integers, the product is either a positive integer, a negative integer, or 0. That means the product of two integers is always an integer. So this is what we are trying to find out here, that whether the sum of two integers is always an integer or not, the difference of two integers is always an integer or not, the product of two integers is always an integer or not. Now we come to the last operation, that is division. So we have already found the answers for these three, which will come to the point again. Now the division. 0 divided by any integer. We have taken the number 4 here, but actually we are focusing that 0 divided by any number is 0. And when we try to divide a number by 5, then it is not defined. That means we cannot divide any number by 0. So there comes a case where we get an answer which is not there in the bag of integers. Okay, so division is one such operation for which we can say that when we divide two integers, the result will always not be an integer, because in this case, if we look at this example, we cannot divide any number by 0. Now we come to the final conclusion that the sum of two integers is always an integer, which means the addition of integers is closed. Addition of integers is closed. Subtraction of integers is also closed, because the difference of two integers is always an integer. The product of two integers is also always an integer, so the multiplication is also closed. And what about division? The division of integers is not closed. So we'll say it is not closed, because when we divide two integers, the result is not always an integer. So we have a look at all the possible operations now and the closure property related to all the operations. We revise once again. Addition of integers is closed. Subtraction of integers is closed. Multiplication of integers is closed. Division of integers is not closed. Thank you.